How to deal with teen behavior problems. Teenage aggression is on the rise in the country. However, here are some quick strategies on how to deal with oversensitive teenagers. What causes oversensitivity? During teenage, your child's moods can change quickly. Because of how teenage brains develop, your child isn't always able to quickly handle his changing feelings, and this can sometimes lead to oversensitivity. A not so pleasant shift. Teenagers are starting to think in a deeper way than they did a few years earlier, and they can have thoughts and feelings they have never had before. Some young people seem to burst into the world with a conflicting and radical view on everything. Anger and violence in teenagers. Anger can be a challenging emotion for many teens, as it often masks other underlying emotions such as frustration, embarrassment, sadness, hurt, fear, shame, or vulnerability. When teens can't cope with these feelings, they may lash out, putting themselves and others at risk. The challenge for parents is to help your teen cope with emotions and deal with anger in a more constructive way. Listen carefully. Make it your starting point to understand them rather than a need to win the argument or make them behave. Listen to the tune, not the words. So instead of hearing, "I hate you, why don't you leave me alone?" you hear, "I'm really upset, I'm trying to manage on my own, and it feels like you don't trust me." Set limits. Understanding your teenagers' feelings and needs and why they act the way they do is not the same as condoning or accepting some behavior. Once you have calmed them down by listening and restored the thinking or feeling balance, you can then set limits on their behavior while helping them find ways to solve the problem. Avoid using violence with your teen. If you are hitting your teenager as a form of punishment or discipline, or even because you are losing control of your temper in an argument, then you are giving them the message that it is okay to use violence to solve disagreements. By avoiding using violence, you are setting a positive example of what you find acceptable. Help your teen find healthy ways to relieve anger. Exercise, team sports, even simply hitting a punch bag or a pillow can help relieve tension and anger. Many teens also use art of writing to creatively express their anger. Dancing or playing along to loud, angry music can also provide relief. Give your teen space to retreat. When your teen is angry, allow him or her to retreat to a place where it's safe to cool off. Don't follow your teen and demand apologies or explanations while he or she is still raging. This will only prolong or escalate the anger or even provoke a physical response. Manage your own anger. You can't help your teen if you lose your temper as well. As difficult as it sounds, you have to remain calm and balanced no matter how much your child provokes you. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.